You're excited to tell your audience about your product, service, or cause. You want your message to grab people by the brain and inspire them to respond in some way. But they seem so far away, and you're not sure exactly how you're going to reach them. The truth is, your message might not reach them because it's tied down, tangled up, and being held back from its full potential. We can help you cut through the mess and set your message free. Too many messages are trapped in a medium that's harder for people to consume in a deep and memorable way, and they may not even get through the front door. Many more messages are noosed into a 30 to 90 second snippet because viewer attention span is short, and people are tired of blatant marketing that doesn't provide any value. Lots of messages are tangled in a format that is hard for your audience to process. Stacks of facts and feature lists are not how you get your details across. An untold amount of messages are strapped into a production queue, held captive by a video production company that may never deliver on time or within the budget. And even when it feels like your message should be soaring, you can't see the invisible threads of how often or how long people are engaged in your message. So you might feel good about your video, but how much does that matter if it just isn't working? So like us and learn how we apply our scribology method of video scribing to set your message free.